So, Dr. Colin, there's actually education for sustainability that was focused on in Geelong as well. Tell us about that aspect.
Yes, okay, well, I guess there are two dimensions to that, because people talk about education for sustainability,
Yep.
but you can also talk about education about sustainability.
Cool.
And in actual fact, you need to recognise that both are important, because people need to understand what sustainability actually is. So that's where the about side of it comes in. And then there's the education for sustainability. So this is how do you educate people so that how do you build capacity so that people can support sustainability and sustainable development? And probably the latter is the more important thing.
So, give us an example of how JCU, for example, is doing just that, because you're working in the faculty of that works on sustainability. What are some of the outstanding features of what you're doing?
Well, my college is a college of environmental and science and marine and environmental science. So that whole college is very much concerned with sustainability, because it's about environmental management and so on. But of course, sustainability is much more than just about the environment. It's also about the economy and ensuring that there's a solid economy behind our society, and it's also about the social side, and that's effectively about social justice. So the other program which is important that we have is the Bachelor of Sustainability, and that program is trying to address all three dimensions of sustainability as I described. But to be as far as going back to the conference is concerned, that particular conference wasn't so much about a particular program. I mean, it's nice to have one program that features sustainability very strongly, and I'm all for that. But of course, to be sustainable, we need to get it across all programs.
Right.
And that's easy in a college like mine, but it's not so easy when you start thinking about business, or you think about nursing or dentistry or the arts. So that's where a lot of the challenge is. So trying to find ways to build sustainability into the curriculums of those programs. So that's probably the next big challenge that we've got. And we are making some headroads into that, I'd like to say as well.
Great.